This is the Nubia Music Pro, a smartphone that designed by the audio lover. Speaker system, vinyl design, 5,000 mAh capacity of battery, 50 MP rear camera. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng design niya. Very artistic and colorful. Ayan, yung may malaking bilog speaker yan. Open na natin. Ayan, medyo parang matagal nga lang siyang mag-open. So, let's see the box. Meron siyang kasamang ejector pin, SIM card. Ayan, SIM card ejector. And then warranty card and the quick start guide. And meron siyang kasamang charger, Type-C. And with clear phone case. Charan! Ito na siya. Na-setup na. Thank you guys for watching.